this while, I've been giving, all this while I've been giving kudos to my brother Akparawa, Sonny. Men of us because when someone is truthful, many people will be against him. Although it's not everybody that knows the truth, they always know this truth at the late time because they say that I know always come last. So I would like to say that they should not emphasize on the issue of Ngozi Orabueze because that lady has caused damages already. Anything they can do to eliminate her, let's do it now before it becomes too late. And in other words, I so much thank God for the victory we have gotten already. Hello?
Victory.
Yes, sir. I'm hearing you.
We don't use the word. We don't use the word eliminate here, so that the people will not say we want to go and buy somebody, please. We don't eliminate anybody.
It's okay.
You can say we can push her out of the Biafra government. They don't use the word eliminate, please. I said disclaimer.
All right.
Thank you.
All right, thank you, sir. So I thank God so much for the victory we have already achieved so far. And now what I'm about to say majorly is that anything that they can do now to make the land to be secured more than this, let do, please. I know that you people are working tirelessly to make things fall in place. And Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Simon Ekpa, what I'm thinking is that we should play the roles of government to government now. Government to government. Although Nigerian government refuses to abide or to admit that they have done a lot of mistakes to Biafran land. And also, let's do, even if it takes for us to go there and remove him or do like a government, please, let's do, because that man has suffers a lot. I see that he is getting an health issue which is complicated, please. And Simon Ekpa, they said he was about to go to the court on the 4th, I believe so. So I don't have much to say. What I'm saying is that God will strengthen you people and to give you people more knowledge to carry out this government. Because everything I'm seeing, you are a very good leader. You are a good leader. If they hand over Biafran country for you to rule, for you to be a president, you must be number one president so far. Yes, that is what I'm saying. I'm not saying because you are from Akparawa or whatever. I'm seeing the good works you are doing. God, please continue it that way. Continue to enlighten people and build peace. Because even the Bible says that the only peace that you can achieve success. As you are leading people in a good way, God will also strengthen you and open more doors. Many people that have been mocking you, telling you, calling you all sort of a name. When I see names they are calling you, I cry. I say, these people, are they true Biafrans or they are betrayers? Or they don't know the right thing, or they don't want to say something so that they will not kick against them. It's better for you to know the truth and follow the truth so that you'll be set free. So I pray God to strengthen you and bring more people that to buy your idea and support to build Biafran country to the better place that you want to be. Thank you so much. God bless all the Biafran lobby. Take care. Good night.
Thank you. And let me put another disclaimer. Sonny is not here for position. Yes. Sonny is not here to be the leader. No. When Prime Minister called me up to be in charge of the media, many people had already applied for the position of the media minister. I did not put in my resume for it. The mad woman that is shouting today, she can go and check all the documents that people submitted for the position or for the media department. She should go and bring any of the application that Sonny put in for the office of the information minister. I'm challenging all of them. She should go and bring any resume that Akparawa and Sonny put in, opting for the office of information minister of the Biafran government in exile. So when we had the Biafra Defense Forces General saying, you don't choose people. It is the God of Biafra that brought us. This is what I want people to understand. Many of us did not come to apply to join the Biafra liberation. Rather, God brought us. So there is no where Ngozi can produce application letter or resume that Akparawa Sonny submitted to Biafran government applying to become the Minister of Information. No, I did not apply because I did not want it. I am not here for position, I'm not here for power. I was still doing everything that we used to do in the media after the government was instituted. Over 6 months, I was not there, but we continue to control the fundraising. We do our media, we put the government front without any gratification of any kind from the media team that were not fully integrated into that government cabinet. So I want people to understand this. The media team you see, those ones that are with me, they are not the ones that came here to look for power. No. They are here standing their ground to make sure nothing is destroyed. And Sonny doesn't want to be the deputy or the acting prime minister or the COS or anything. No. All I want is to make sure I give the support that I have, that the Biafra Defense Forces are not destroyed in the presence of PM or in the absence of PM, because the defense forces of a country is the power force of that country, is the engine room. If you play with them, the country is down. So I was called up by the PM with my team because he saw that we were doing good to come and give that support to the government. And we will continue to do it in his presence and in his absence. So we are challenging Ngozi today to go and bring out resume or application letter where Akparawa Sonny wrote letter of application applying for the position of Minister of Information of the Biafran government in Israel. Then while she's searching to bring out that one, she should bring out others that applied to be in one position or another in the government. That is to show you that I did not come because of the positions. While others have applied and got their position, I was still doing what I was doing for the Biafran government without looking for any position. Until PM called us up to inaugurate the media team into the government. What I'm saying.
Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. I decided to allow this guy to say everything that he wants to say because I don't want to interrupt him. This is a live broadcast. I just decided to record this part because as we are all here when the whole thing started. We know how they how PM chose them. Sometimes we even though we are not inside, but we can tell you that many of them, yeah, you may not have applied for that position, but at least you are often in PM's program and we know how everything happened together with Nsima. But whether you are in for power or not, that's not the issue. The issue is, what is your problem with US? I'm just saying this for Sonny to understand why Biafrans, why people are a kind of somehow having cold feeling about him and his ordeal, because it's all about every time you see us here, the woman, madam, must bow. Some of you on my comment section saying, "Oh, don't be rude, don't attack them and all that." Yes, it's not intentional. Nobody drives joy in attacking anybody. But when you listen to a grown-up man like Sonny, focusing his attention on a woman, yapping nonsense and doing all manner of propaganda against her, thinking that he felt that she don't have any media power to defend herself, you keep on lying. And the annoying part is seeing people from riverine area, like from Sunny side and all that, trying to turn this as if it's a battle between Igbo speaking Biafrans and non-Igbo speaking Biafrans. I have been avoiding this kind of that kind of feeling. That's why sometimes when you listen to me when I'm talking about Sunny, I always say that don't take it as Igbo issue or non-Igbo issue, because that's not what it is. But as you are trying to explain to Sonny to let the whole world know what Sonny is up to, you may end up touching that part that will make people to feel like, oh, you are saying that because of you are Igbo or you are not Igbo. It's not Sonny alone. Ajere is not a Ajere is an Igbo, right? Igbo speaking Biafran. So you don't take it as if he's a because he's not a Igbo man or not. No, we have to say the truth. And thank God some people from riverine area, of course, are with us. Even we have people from Akwa Ibom where Sonny come from in the cabinet of government at that moment. But he chose Sonny is one of he's the kind of people, kind of this kind of a Igbo man that Igbo men. Some not everybody. Some Igbo people that don't believe that woman should even declare Biafra or lead at all. Okay, I have an audio which I'm going to publish here very soon. Maybe if I have chance tomorrow, I may do that, because that audio it just proved that man proved everything I've been saying. That many of them that hate US hated her because she's a woman, nothing more. Why? How can a woman be my leader? Why will a woman be dragging power with me? Why will I obey a woman? I am a commander. I am a warrior. I am this. I have this. I am rich. That kind of thing. I am highly connected. A woman? No, 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 no. It is a taboo. It's against our culture. That kind of mentality. So that's their problem. And for them to achieve that, they have to tag her criminal, agent of Nigerian politicians, blah, 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 blah. The same thing that PM went through in the hands of DOS. So how do you expect us, knowing what PM went through in the hands of DOS, knowing the kind of fake names, lies, propaganda designed against PM, after seeing that, after witnessing those things, and you expect people to full hand and clap for you, repeating the same thing again and again? There are some questions that you need to answer before you can argue. Yes, you may not like CS. Maybe you don't like the way she addressed people. You don't like the way she carry herself. That's your personal decision. Don't bring their friends. Don't destroy everything because of your feelings against her. So everybody must suffer because of that. No, 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 no. It's wrong. Is wrong. So there are some people that are very, very, okay with her, and that is how it is. Anyway, I just want to make this video. Even if you don't understand any other thing in this video, maybe you don't care. The part that I want you to care most is if you are from riverine area, don't follow Sonny Akparawa camp simply because he is from your side. But from heart of your heart, if you believe that he is getting it right, then follow him. But don't follow him with the idea of, oh, because I have to defend my brother. No, that is wrong. We are all the same. So it's not about where you come from and what you represent, but the kind of quality and personality that you possess. That is what we are looking up to, not your where you come from. Do you know how to speak Igbo or not Igbo? No. That's because when you listen to the guy that called, he's from Akwa Ibom, saying that he want to eliminate CS. No, it's not about because somebody want to correct him and all that. But the truth is that they actually want to eliminate her. What kind of elimination again do you want when you are bringing character assassination against her, saying all manner of nonsense against her, destroying her image, painting her black when she's not? So what kind of assassination again are you looking for? That is a pure assassination. So, but we don't need to go through those things. We have to say, I just want to remind you, okay, the outcome of what they're doing and what they're saying is unfair. That's not the fact. It is unfair. And the guy says something that that you want to eliminate her. And Sonny said, no, you can say we push her away from the cabinet, from the reference cabinet. Yet the guy turned around and said that Sunny is a peacemaker. How can you be a peacemaker when you're pushing somebody away? You understand? You see, the contradiction is there, but I don't know why. I don't know his problem. Anyway, my people, tell me your own take on this, because I decided to allow this video to play. So without saying anything, so that you yourself can somehow assimilate what they're trying to say. What do you understand from that? I would like to hear your own, hear your point. I would like to read your comments to know your own take on this. God bless you, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Bye bye for now.